Good morning, it's Monday, November the 22nd, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Hopefully you all had a great weekend, got a chance to catch a little bit of football and relax. It's Monday, it means it's time to get down to business. I've got 3 press releases for you, 1 out of the Canadian side, 2 out of the US side, and I've got 5 halts to report on the second segment. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story and what's on all the headlines this morning. We've got a takeover bid. It's a friendly takeover bid. Potash One Inc. They trade on the TSX under the symbol KCL. They announced today that they've entered into a support agreement pursuant to which K&S will make an offer to acquire all of the issued and outstanding common shares of Potash One at a price of $4.50 per share in cash for a total consideration of approximately $434 million, and that's Canadian dollars. Now, the highlights from this deal include a 31.3% premium over the 10-day weighted average trading price of the shares. Potash One's board of directors unanimously recommends shareholders to tender to the offer, so it's a friendly deal. Looks like the board wants this one to go through. A little bit about the company. They're engaged in the exploration and development of advanced potash properties. Obviously, this has been all over the headlines, consolidation of the potash industry, and this is no exception right here. Company was last at $3.62. That's what they closed on Friday. I believe they opened up in and around the $4.50 range. Their 52-week high was $4.42. Their low was $1.98, and their market cap was approximately $84 million. Now, moving south of the border, China Agribusiness, they trade on the bulletin board under the symbol CHBU. They're a manufacturer and distributor of organic agriculture application products in China. We've got their operating results for the 3 months ended September 30th, 2010. We've got some metrics which include sales, which increased 471% to $3.5 million, and that's year over year. We've got net income increased 261% year over year, up to $900,000. And finally, we've got earnings per common share increased to 7 cents, and that's over 2 cents year over year. A little bit about the company. They manufacture and sell non-toxic fertilizer, bactericide, and fungicide products used for farming in China. Obviously, potash is the big craze right now, so anything that's farming related, you'd imagine, has legs right now. Company is last at $1.02, high of $1.17, low of 27 cents. Market cap of only $13 million. Moving on to our last company, Weikang Biotechnology. They trade on the bulletin board. Excuse me. They trade on the bulletin board on the symbol WKBT. They're a developer, manufacturer, and marketer of traditional Chinese medicine, Western prescription, and over-the-counter pharmaceuticals. Today, they're announcing that they've signed 2 provincial agent contracts and 1 municipal agent contract. The sales agents actually began working some time ago at the beginning of October, and the company's announced that they've already contributed $1.4 million to their bottom line for sales in the 4th quarter of 2010. Additionally, going forward, the 2 provincial contracts are expected to add $6 million each to annual sales, and the municipal contract is expected to add $3 million in annual sales, so for a total of $15 million, which is anticipated in sales over the next few months. Company's last at $3.22, high of $6.99, low of $1.90, market cap of approximately $90 million. Now, moving on to the halts, I've got 5, as I mentioned at the top of the show. First one, TSX Venture, Vega Resources. They trade under the symbol VGR. They're halted pending news. We've got RPT Resources on the venture under the symbol RPT, halted pending news. We've got Quetzal Energy on the venture under the symbol QEI, halted pending news. Transamerica Energy on the venture under the symbol TAE, halted pending news. And finally, we've got Brownstone Ventures on the venture under the symbol BWN, halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Make sure to join us again here tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.